Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. SigniFlow's Portfolios feature is one of our differentiators, which businesses use extensively. It is essentially a customer portal where any document can be uploaded, shared and sent for electronic signing. Sharing a portfolio with a customer allows them to upload supporting documents when they sign, or directly into the portal, and the system will notify you of any activity via email, so you can keep track of the progress of all your documents with ease. In this video, we take you through how to share a portfolio with either your business as a whole, or with a designated department, team or user. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Portfolios. Open Portfolios by clicking on the Portfolios tab in the left navigational panel. You can also open your portfolios from your dashboard by tapping on the Portfolios basket. Step 2. Open the portfolio. A table containing all your portfolios will display. Open the portfolio you want to share by clicking on the Open button in the corresponding row within the table. Step 3. Open Portfolio Settings. Tap on the Portfolio Settings button within the top navigational panel. Step 4. Share Portfolio. You have the option to share your portfolio with your business, departments, or teams. Business. To share the portfolio with your business, first indicate the role your business will have relating to your portfolio. These are the options. Viewer. Business members can only view the portfolio. Contributor. Business members can edit and add to the portfolio, or Owner. Business members can edit or add to the portfolio, as well as delete it. Select one in the drop-down under Business. Now, you can share your portfolio by clicking on the Share with My Business button. Please note, once your portfolio has been shared, a table will display with the parties, business, your portfolio is shared with. Revoke their access to your portfolio by tapping on the Revoke button in the corresponding row within the table. Department. To share the portfolio with a department within your business, first select the specific department and then select the role the department will have regarding your portfolio. Now, you can share your portfolio by clicking on the Share with Department button. You can revoke the department's access to your portfolio by tapping on the Revoke button in the corresponding row within the table. Teams. To share the portfolio with a team within your business, first select the specific team, and then select the role the team will have regarding your portfolio. Now, you can share your portfolio by clicking on the Share with Team button. You can revoke the team's access to your portfolio by tapping on the Revoke button in the corresponding row within the table. Contacts. To share the portfolio with an individual user within your business, first select or search for the user, and then select the role the user will have regarding your portfolio. Now, you can share your portfolio by clicking on the Share with Contact button. You can revoke the user's access to your portfolio by tapping on the Revoke button in the corresponding row within the table. And that is how to share a portfolio with your business as a whole, or with a department, team, or single user. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo, or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.